board, Chandan Taparia. Soon we'll have the pre-open rates as well. Chandan, hi, good morning. After taking the fresh all-time high last week, what do you think is in store for us today?
Yeah, good morning. Thanks for having me. So, major trend of the market is positive. However, on Friday it remained consolidative, but we have noticed that FI long short ratio is recovering. In fact, the base level of the market is shifting higher. Put call ratio is also holding well. So I believe till Nifty holds about 26,000, the ongoing bullish resistance could continue, which can take it towards new all-time high of 26,500 to 26,750. Quite positive on the Bank Nifty as well. In fact, on Friday, it made a new lifetime high until it holds above 59,250. Ongoing momentum can extend towards 60,500. So positive stance. However, the good part is the India VIX is continuously falling down, and that has clearly indication the declines could be bought. FI's long short ratio is recovering. In fact, the rollovers were slightly lower, and we have seen some short covering. So all these data setup are indicating on the bullish stance, but because of the lower VIX, market will be positive to range bound rather than being on the only positive or only bullish momentum. So we need to plan our trade and strategy accordingly.
Okay, so that's your strategy on the market. Chandan, amid a market like this, which stocks are looking good to you? Where is your bias tilting this morning?
Yeah, so positive view on the Nifty Auto Index. In fact, this is one of the strongest sector which has rallied well by more than 21% YTD basis. It has given a consolidation breakout on the weekly chart, and here we will pick Mahindra and Mahindra as a top auto name. It has been consolidating in a range from last 14 days, but supports are intact. Recently, it formed the higher base at 3650, and a small follow-up could lead the counter towards 3900. The good part is that somehow the GST boost, innovation, new launches are the reason which could continue to keep certain name in the focus. So one can buy Mahindra and Mahindra with support of 3690, and we are expecting a rally towards 3900. Second trading idea, there is buy on lower sleep. Certain momentum is visible in pharma counter. In fact, Nifty Pharma is all set to give a consolidation breakout. However, the entire sector was laggard, but Lower Slab is one of the strongest name, which really done well by rallying more than 71% in YTD basis. So positive stance could continue in Lower Slab. One can buy with support of 1010 for a fresh rally towards 1070.
Okay, so Chandan, that's the take on the stock-specific bias. But, I want to understand your perspective on the India VIX. You did say that because the VIX is falling, the markets could do well. But we're around that 11 mark. We've fallen from the recent highs of 13 and above that we've seen. At what point does a falling VIX start to become a concern for the market rather than becoming a tailwind?
So when you talk about India VIX, first let me talk about CBOE VIX as well. That is the volatility index at US. So CBOE VIX is also at 16. And in last couple of days, we have seen a corrective move in CBOE VIX from 25 to 16. When I talk about the India VIX, continuously it has been falling from last 5-6 trading session. On last Friday, it made a swing high at 13.85 and now is below 11.6. So till it remains below 12.5 marks, the market will be comfortable. However, at the same time, we don't want VIX to go below 10. So I believe 10.5 to 12.5 will be the reasonable level for VIX. And in this scenario, slow and steady momentum could continue towards the new highs in the broader market.
Silver has hit a record high. It's up a good 13%.